This AI cat shorts channel named Cats Meow Story published only 85 shorts and gained over 1 million subscribers within 6 months, average earning over $10,000 per month. All shorts are making with AI, each shorts are getting huge views. Most popular shorts got 147 million views, next 48 million views, next 21 million, next 13 million and so on. According to Social Blade, this channel got 356,307,530 views after created on January 17, 2025. Gained 47,000 subscribers within last 30 days. Gained 26 million views in last 30 days, just unbelievable, and earning $6,000 between $1 lakh per month and $89,000 to over $10 lakh per year. In one day its estimated earnings was $182 to $2.9K. You can also able to start your YouTube channel after watching this full video. Monthly search volume in YouTube of cat videos keyword is over 15,70,000 plus. Cat AI keyword search volume is over 5 lakh. AI cat keyword search volume is over 3 lakh. And AI cat story keyword search volume is over 90,000. It means this is a fortunate moment to start your own AI cat channel. And I will show you how. Stay connected. Let's visit straightly to our AI. I will put the link in description and first comment. Visit through the link and sign up with your Google account will take you to this dashboard. Now click on Create AI Video button. This will take you to next page. You will find an option named Trending Templates. Click on there and you will see 4 ready-made templates to create viral AI cat video in one click. I am clicking on first template. You will see a video that published with this template and gained 3 million views and earned over $200 with this single short. Let's see it. This kind of shorts are doing so well. As I said earlier, this video gained 3 million views and earned over $200 with this single short. To use this template, click on Use Template button. This will automatically cast characters for our shorts. You can change any character if you want. I am keeping it and clicking on Next button. You will see our AI cat short video is ready. Every scenes are automatically generated and animated by AI for us. Let's see first scene. This is incredible. You will see on left menu there are all scenes presented in a column one after one. You can check all scenes one after one if you want. I recommend you to check, because AI cannot generate 100% accurate every time. Results may vary, and if you don't like any scene you can change image by clicking on Regenerate button on right side. You can also edit characters, edit story node, edit prompt and also try a new scene by clicking Regenerate button. This process may take few minutes in free version. Until now, if you have any question you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one, and if my video helps you, please give a like, comment, share. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here our image generation process have been completed. You can now add subtitle, voiceover, or even sound effect as per your scene. Now we need to animate this scene from Animate button at right side. After clicking on Animate button you will see a pop-up will be displayed. Select Animate Pro button and then Confirm button to start animating scenes. Unfortunately my subscription have been just expired few days ago. So, I recommend you to use this yearly pro plan if you really want to create your own AI cat YouTube channel. I guarantee you will able to earn money within few months. So selected last animated scene and then click on next button to complete our short video. Don't worry, you can use this AI for free initially. Now in this page select any scene for your cover and then select cover style title. I am selecting no style. Then come to subtitle setting. You can select any subtitle style if you want. I am selecting no subtitle. Then come to background music and select any music you want. Finally click on Generate button at top right side to start rendering our short video. This process will take 3 to 10 minutes in free version and take up to 3 minutes in paid version. I request you to try paid version, you will not be disappointed. Our AI cat short story video is ready to preview. Let's see what AI built for us. As I told, this AI is so powerful, have generated this awesome AI cat short within few minutes for us. So, you can now download it by clicking on download button. If this video helps you to learn a new thing, please give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. If I give 500 likes and comment in this video, I will provide paid subscription to 3 persons as a giveaway. I also recommend you to watch this video to understand the capacity of this AI. Thank you for watching, stay subscribed.